Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So basically, in order to soft reset this device, we have to press the power button, which is located right here, and press it long enough to see the black screen and the developer's logo, which simply means that the device will restart the system. And let me try to do it, and then I'll explain everything. This operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So as you can see, pressing the power button will make it kind of black. We can see the developer's logo. We also had the vibration, so it simply means that your device will restore the system, and hopefully after this operation it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so
Hello, Moto.
oh my god. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.